Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Loox to generate photo reviews and sales. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Loox and start generating photo reviews, first, log into your Shopify store. Navigate to the apps section from your Shopify admin dashboard. Search for Loox in the Shopify App Store. Click on the Loox app to access its details. Select the Add App button to begin the installation process. Once installed, open the Loox app from your apps list. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. Connect your store by allowing Loox to access your product data. Customize your review request emails according to your brand's tone and style. Adjust settings for when and how you want to request reviews from customers. Choose whether you want to incentivize reviews with discounts or other offers. Next, set up the display options for your photo reviews on product pages. Select where you want the reviews to appear, such as in product descriptions or galleries. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click on Save to apply the changes. Now, prepare to import past customer reviews if you have them. Follow the import process provided by Loox for existing reviews. After importing, ensure all reviews display correctly on your product pages. Finally, test the review request email by sending it to yourself or a team member. You're now ready to start collecting photo reviews and boost your sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.